what's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to get tin in Once Human. This is a tier 2 kind of resource, and you'll be getting this much later throughout your gameplay in the earlier part of the game. You should have already completed a monolith and things like that. What you need first of all is to unlock the copper pickaxe, which is the second tier of pickaxe. This we'll need in order to harvest it. So over here, as you can see, a copper pickaxe in my supplies workbench, crafted with 2 rawhide, 7 copper ingots, and 5 logs. It's relatively cheap. All that you need to get to do this is a furnace in which you cook some charcoal, then some copper ingots, and with these, head across to your workbench where you can now craft a tier 2 copper pickaxe. If you don't already have this researched, hit O to open up your memetics screen over here, head across to infrastructure, the first tab. You should already have smelting essentials. The next one is copper pickaxes. Grab this and bam, you should now be able to create the copper pickaxe. Very simple, and it should make harvesting faster and of course enable the collection of things like tin ore. Anyways, once you have this, you need to find a new location with tin ore. For example, you start over in the southeast side of the map here. The next location that you'll be moving to is usually the left or west side over here. Basically, at this main central point over here, Deadsville, you'll be heading across this bridge and you'll immediately find some tin ore. You can, of course, find it in some other locations. But anyway, let's head across there. So moving over here, you can already see the bridge that we need to travel across. And right over here is the location where you've already previously spoken to different people, etc. This is the Deadsville center point over here. We'll head south and across this bridge, so across here, and you should find, usually relatively close by here, these new ores over here. These are tin ore. In order to pick up some of this tin ore, you should hopefully have your new pickaxe equipped. However, if you're still getting this error message and you did actually pick up your new copper pickaxe, open your inventory with I and make sure that your new copper pickaxe is dragged onto your hotbar over here. By doing so, you should have now activated it and bam, you can now collect tin ore, and by doing so, you should also unlock a Digby, which we can use in our base to passively collect ore. Anyways, that's it for this quick video. Thank you for watching. My name's Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.